Have you ever struggled with sleepless nights? If so, you're not alone. Sleep challenges can stem from stress, anxiety, and everyday life hurdles. Let's take a look into the 4-7-8 breathing method, a technique famous among the elite U.S. Navy SEALs. This powerful method may enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. Sounds intriguing, right? Sleep is crucial for both mental and physical health. Yet many people resort to medications that may not address the underlying issues and sometimes come with negative side effects. It's time to explore healthier alternatives. People often wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep. This can impact mood, productivity, and memory. So, how can we improve not just the quantity, but the quality of our sleep? When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones like cortisol. These hormones can keep us alert, making it hard to relax at night. This often leads to various sleep-related issues. Thankfully, we're not out of options. The 4-7-8 breathing method is straightforward and effective. Here's how it works. You breathe in through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 7, and exhale through your mouth for 8. To begin, find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. When inhaling, fill your lungs completely, allowing your belly to rise. Holding the breath, let go of any tension you feel. As you exhale, imagine releasing stress and anxiety. The essence of this method lies in being mindful of your breath. Research shows that the 4-7-8 technique can significantly lower stress and anxiety levels. It may even boost your immune system and help lower blood pressure. Consider incorporating this method into your daily routine for deeper, more restorative sleep. Many have used it to enhance their sleep quality, experiencing even better energy throughout the day. We've heard incredible stories from those who transformed their sleep using the 4-7-8 technique. One friend conquered insomnia and began falling asleep in minutes. Another reduced their anxiety levels significantly. This method can be a game changer in your quest for better sleep. Regular practice may help you awake feeling rested and energized. In summary, the 4-7-8 method is a free and effective approach to tackle sleep-related issues and stress. Why not give it a try tonight? If you've tried the 4-7-8 method, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips.